Hi there, my name is Mariam Alfarag, and this is a summary of my review article under the title of A Deep Look into Nervous System's Functioning. So first of all, we're going to talk about the anatomical structure. The human brain is a complex organ with different regions and functions. The cerebrum, divided into two hemispheres, controls movement, sensory perception, and memory. The brain, located at the bottom of the brain, coordinates voluntary movement, balance, posture, and contributes to memory and learning. The brain stem is the brain is base and regulates essentially disorder. Diseases to be inspected. We have many illnesses and disorder can impair brain function, resulting in a range of symptoms and medical problems. We have Alzheimer's disease. We have Parkinson's disease, which is the multiple sclerosis. It happens by this ailment, which is a distribution of blood flow to the brain that damages brain cells and results in a variety of neurological symptoms. We have a traumatic brain injury, TBI, which is life by controlling the brain functioning. We have a way which is called CBT, the cognitive behavioral therapy, is one efficient method for enhancing quality of life. Brain following exposure to traumatic events. We have we can have like modifications in neural activity, like the trauma can cause the brain's neural activity to spike excessively. We have the brain structural changes. The brain's structure may change as a result of a trauma. We have the effect on memory. Traumatic experiences can have a big effect on memory. People may have trouble recalling memories or have fragmented memories when it comes to remembering events-related facts. Modifications in attention and concentration. Trauma survivors may have trouble focusing and paying attention. Changes in mood and emotions. Trauma can have a significant effect on mood and emotions. Symptoms like despair, anxiety, rage, and emotional distress are possible in certain people. It is critical to understand that for those who have experienced a trauma, it is critical to seek the proper medical care and psychological support. These tools can aid people in coping with possible psychological and emotional repercussions, easing their road to recovery and enhancing general well-being. Unlocking cognitive potentials. We have effective strategies for boosting brain performance. The book Unlocking Cognitive Potential. Powerful techniques to improve brain can function due to the availability of courses and the programs aimed at encouraging this strategy among people. Brain training has grown in popularity. We have, it was published by the Russian that is called Potapova Elizabeth on the Russian FBR website. And it says that playing 15 minutes a day of logic, language, and math-based puzzles and mental games is one suggested technique. Crossword puzzles, chess, and other cognitively demanding games can boost memory and processing speed. We have here like what's the color of the human brain. We just have the cerebral cortex, known as gray matter of the brain. This is in the MHRS pictures. As a conclusion of that, we can say that the brain is a sophisticated organ that is essential in controlling many psychological functions, mental illnesses, and behavior patterns. The advancement of therapies, treatment in neuroscience, psychology, and medicine, depending on ability to better understand the brain. The limbic system, cerebellum, brainstem, and other areas of distinct roles make up the anatomy of the brain. Numerous conditions that affect the brain functions and need for more study and therapy development include Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, epilepsy, brain injury, and autism spectrum disorder. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, which focuses on altering thought patterns and behaviors, and the brain training through puzzles and mental games and continual learning are strategies to improve brain functioning and daily life. The brain's ability to operate a person's mental health and conduct requiring suitable psychiatric, consistent and assistant and medical guidance, research and technological developments continue to depend our understanding of the brain. Its secrets hold considerable promise for enhancing neurological disease, sufferers' quality of life, and releasing a human potential. The brain is a magnificent organ that affects many facets of our lives. To sum up, and researchers can diagnose, cure, and prevent neurological and mental diseases by delving